How to change nickname on Litmatch. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change nickname on Litmatch. To change your nickname on Litmatch, first of all open your Litmatch application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, at the bottom right, you will find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and then once you reach your profile page, in this page on the top right, you will find the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon at the top and this will take you to the settings section. In the settings menu, you need to find edit profile option. Once you find it, tap on edit profile to open it. Once you reach inside edit profile page, here you will be able to find various options like nickname, late ID, birthday, and bio. You need to tap on this nickname option. Once you tap on nickname, inside it you will find your current nickname. Now to edit it, tap on the nickname, clear the previous one and enter the new nickname that you would like to add. Once you have typed in your new nickname, now make sure to save or confirm the changes by tapping on the Done button at the top right. Once doing that, again you will need to tap on the Done button at the top right. Now wait for a while and when you go back to your profile page, there you will see your new nickname has been successfully updated. So by following these steps, you should be able to change nickname on Litmatch. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.